Are you looking for high ticket affiliate programs? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to share with you a high ticket affiliate program that can earn you up to $7,000 in commissions. But before I get into that, if you're serious about starting your own online business and making a passive income, be sure to check out Builderall and Genusiy, both links in the description of this video. Now, let's get into this. Speaking of Genusiy, they recently added a product line. Now, if you're not familiar with Genusiy, I've talked about it in several videos. It's a company that I'm a part of, and they started with doing proximity marketing. We basically offer these marketing beacons for anybody that needs advertising. It actually puts your message on people's Android phones, which is super cool in itself. Great business model, and that's how I got involved with Genusiy. But about 2 months ago, they just added another product line to the company, which is huge, and it's CBD products. Now, if you're not familiar with CBD products, look that up. It's a $1 billion industry, and it's growing every day. CBD has incredible health benefits. Like I said, you can just look it up and you'll get the point. But Genusiy just added 2 products, but the main one is called Black Gold, which is a CBD patch. And the benefits behind that is it actually, a lot of people like that better than say like different drops and stuff like that and lotions, because the patch allows the CBD oil to get in the bloodstream a lot quicker and more efficiently, right? So it's a really, really good product. But here's where the high ticket opportunity comes in. Once you become a Genusiy associate, right, you can actually, have access to the CBD products that you can promote. They actually offer a wholesale, right? Wholesale, where you can sell to individuals or, businesses, all right? And the highest wholesale package that we have right now is $14,000, right? $14,000. Now, if you sell one of those, your commission will be $7,000. Actually, a little over $7,000 if you can move that $14,000 packet. Now, there's different packages, and you will get 50% on that first initial sale, and then you'll actually be able to generate some recurring income as well. But guys, when you talk about high ticket affiliate offers, this is definitely one that you might want to check out, especially considering that you actually have a product that is high in demand and is only getting more and more popular. Now, I'm going to keep it real like I always do. If you decide, to jump on and you're like, yo, I want these high ticket commissions, it's very doable. But yeah, you got to grind. Like, if you're going to take this approach, think about it. A $7,000 commission will be incredible, but you got to put that work in. If I were you, ask yourself, are you ready to grind? Are you willing to go out there and contact businesses that will potentially want to carry CBD products, which a lot of places, will. But you need to be willing to go out there, contact business owners, get out there, get some flyers, make some calls. If you're willing to do that, the opportunity is right here, right now. All right. So, like I said, and 7,000, is one of the big commissions you can get, but you don't even have to go for that. You can make a decent income just by promoting the products to individuals. And there's other wholesale packages that you can offer, with $700 commissions, $400 commissions, $1,200 commissions, and so on. So this is a real business opportunity. So if you're watching this, right, and you believe in the opportunity and the potential of CBD products, and you don't mind promoting it, what you're waiting for, right? All you need to do is join Genusiy and become an associate. So you might be thinking, well, okay, it's all good, but I'm not trying to spend, I'm sure I got to buy, $1,000 worth of products, and I don't want to hold this, and I don't want to do that, and I don't have $300 up front to spend. You don't need it. You don't need it. To become an associate, it's a one-time fee of $30. That's it. One-time fee of $30, and then just $15 a month to keep your associate status. Now, if you're interested, you can join my team, and everybody in the Genusiy family is so helpful. It's like a little family, right? We all I'm in constant contact with a guy who's really cool, great seller, got a huge team. The Facebook group we got is super cool. Everybody's super friendly, and everybody help everybody, right? So if you jump on, let's work. Be ready to jump in and treat it like a business. And the money is there. The opportunity is there. This is something that you can actually do and run with it. All right. So link in the description, guys, for just look for Genusiy. Click on it, and let's get going. It's that simple. Once you get started, $30 one time, $15 a month, and you can start earning commissions as big as $7,000. If you have any questions, I lost my train of thought. If you got any questions, leave them below. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. I'll actually leave my phone number. You can actually text me, or you can actually give me a call if you got any questions. That's how real this is. It's a real business. So you can click the link below, get started with that, or you can actually, if you got any questions or you want to, I can help you sign up over the phone or text, whatever. So it is what it is, guys. So if you're looking for that high ticket, you just found it. All right. Be sure to share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Now let's get this money. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.